Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add family members to your Spotify premium account. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify application on your phone or computer. Once you're inside Spotify, tap on your profile icon, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account. This will redirect you to the Spotify account overview page in your web browser. Here, tap on Manage Your Subscription. On the next page, look for the option called Manage Your Family Accounts and click on Go. Now, in the Plan Members section, tap Invite Someone. Enter the email address of the person you want to add as a family member and send the invitation. The invited member will receive an email with an invite link. They'll need to click on Accept Invite, then either log in or sign up for a Spotify account if they don't have one already. They will also be asked to confirm their home address to make sure everyone in the plan lives at the same address. Once confirmed, the new member will be added to your Spotify Premium Family Plan. Now, you and your family can enjoy unlimited music together, all in one plan. Thank you for watching.